Hello, here we're going to write the equation of a line passing through the point -1, 3 and parallel to the line whose equation is 3x minus 2y equals to 5. So we calculate the equation of a line by plugging in values into y minus y1 equals to slope times x minus x1, and we need to substitute values for y1, slope, and x1. We are given a point -1, 3, so from here we know that x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 3. All we need to do is find the slope m. So the other piece of information we are given is that the line is parallel to 3x minus 2y equals to 5. So let's find the slope of this line by rewriting it in slope intercept form. So we have 3x minus 2y equals to 5. I'm leaving spaces in between to perform calculations because slope intercept form looks like y equals to mx plus b. So I want to move 3x to the other side. Let's decide the sign of b, and we have 5, which makes it a positive 5, so plus. I'm going to do the additive inverse of positive 3x, which is negative 3x. Whatever we do to one side, we want to do the same thing to the other side, so negative 3x. This gives us 3x minus 3x adds up to 0, and we get negative 2y equals to negative 3x plus 5. To solve for y, we need to do the inverse of multiplying by -2, which is to divide by -2. And to preserve equality, we must do the same thing to all terms. So negative 3x divided by -2 and plus 5 divided by -2. So let's simplify. -2 divided by -2 gives us positive 1y. -3 divided by -2, we have positive 3 out of 2x. Positive 5 divided by -2 gives us negative 5 out of 2. Once we have the equation in this form, we can easily tell that the slope is 3 out of 2. So the slope of this parallel line is also 3 out of 2. Once we have point and the slope, we can use point-slope formula of equation of a line. So we get y minus y1, and we know that y1 is 3, equals to slope, and slope is equal to 3 out of 2 times x minus x1, and we have that x1 is -1. This becomes y negative of positive 3 is -3 equals to 3 out of 2 times x. Negative times negative gives us plus 1. Let's distribute 3 out of 2 into this parenthesis, and we get y minus 3 equals to 3 out of 2x plus 3 out of 2 times 1. So we get y minus 3 is equal to 3 out of 2x plus 3 out of 2 times 1 is 3 out of 2. So we have y minus 3 on the left. Let's solve for y by adding 3 to both sides. And we get y, this adds up to 0, is equal to 3 out of 2x plus 3 out of 2 plus 3. Let's combine constants or numbers. 3 out of 2 plus 3, we need common denominator. 3 is out of 1. Common denominator of 2 and 1 is 2, so 1 times 2, whatever we multiply denominator by, we multiply numerator by the same thing, so 3 times 2, and we get y is equal to 3 out of 2x plus common denominator is 2, so 2 in denominator. We have 3 from the first fraction plus 3 times 2 is 6 from the second fraction. This will give us y is equal to 3 out of 2x plus 3 plus 6 is 9 out of 2. And this is our solution in slope-intercept form. If you need the solution in standard form, you need to move x to the other side of the equation. So we have y, let's leave some space, is equal to 3 out of 2x, let's leave some space, plus 9 out of 2. To move x to the other side, we need to do the additive inverse of positive 3 out of 2x, which is minus 3 out of 2x. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do the same thing to the other side to preserve equality. So minus 3 out of 2x on the left, and we get y minus 3 out of 2x is equal to, this adds up to 0, so 9 out of 2. And this is our solution in standard form. That's all.